BSS – flexible, innovative, meaningful. Our security screw SecuTurn, a simple and brilliant security element. SecuTurn can be applied as a mechanical security element for profile cylinders. It can be used for conventional locks as well as for electronic lock cylinders. By applying a thorn, the security screw is spread at the end. Only by using a special tool is it possible to mount and dismantle the security screw. SecuTurn prevents the pull-out of the locking cylinder after it's installed. Access to the locking cylinder and other critical equipment can be limited to qualified and authorized personnel. Hence, incorrect maintenance can be prevented. Additionally, SecuTurn protects against theft and manipulation. The screw is universally applicable and can be applied to different fields. Basically, wherever restricted access should be limited to authorized personnel. The required special tool could be equipped with a unique serial number. This would allow an allocation of the special tool to a predefined group of persons. Responsibilities for secured objects would be established. Just like all products from BSS, SecuTurn is made in Germany and subject to regular testing and measuring procedures according to ISO standards. Leverage from our experience with some of the biggest OEMs in Germany. Industry-related certifications ensure the trustworthiness of a partner with whom you can climb peaks. Our simple and brilliant security screw, SecuTurn. Flexible, innovative, meaningful. BSS – Security by Innovation.